Hi guys, welcome back to Masterman's tutorial. In today's lesson, we're checking out to calculate the arithmetic mean both for group and on group. First, I want to start for the on group first. Median is the middle number of the given scores for on group data. That's the middle number. For example, we have 1, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. We calculate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is an odd number. If you divide it by 2, it will give you 3.5. That means it will remain. By the time you count like 3 to this side, 1, 2, 3, and 3 to the other side, 1, 2, 3, you have remainder. That remainder is 6. This one is very simple to calculate. But another way, if we had a like even number like this one, we have 18, 17, 15, 10, 9, 7, 7, 6. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. If you divide 2 by 8, it will give you 4. So there is no remainder. So in this case, you are going to what you are going to do, you count 3 to this side, 1, 2, 3, and 3 to the other side, 1, 2, 3. The two remaining figure, you are going to add them together. That's 10 plus 9. They divide by 2. 10 plus 9 divided by 2. That's 90/2. Your answer is 9.5. So this is your median number. So this is the formula for group data. These are group data. In case we have questions like this, they are group data. The one I did is for on group data. You have a data class interval. You have 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35, 36 to 40, 41 to 45. These are the frequency. For you to know what to calculate at the exam hall, you have to find the boundary, because we need the lower boundary. So that take us to column for the class boundary. That is how we know that we need boundary, because there is lower boundary, higher boundary. So for us to get our boundary, the interval is 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at this point here, the higher boundary, that's 5. You had 0.5, 0.5. But at the lower boundary, you remove 0.5. That means 1 minus. That is how it is. 1 minus 0.5. 1 minus 0.5 to give you 0.5. So here we have 0.5. You are minusing. Whereas at the higher boundary, you had it. That's 5 plus 0.5. That is 5.5. So here you have 5.5. We do the same for all of them. The 6 minus 0.5. That means you have 5.5. Then 10 plus 0.5, you have 10.5. Then for the 11 minus 0.5, you have 10.5. Then the higher one, 15 minus plus 0.5, you have 15.5. That's how you will do it. That's 15.5. Then 20.5. You are adding, you are deducting. That's you deduct 1. You deduct 1 from 0.5 to give you 0.5. You had 5 plus 0.5, it gives you 5.5. That's how you do it to the rest also. So what else do we need? We need the median, the moda, that is n/2. Our n is 100. That's total number of, that's 100. that is 50. So at point 50, that is where our median is. So that's it will take us to cumulative frequency for us to get this 50. So you had from the frequency, you come to the frequency, you take 21st, then the next one is 20 plus 25 plus 20 to give 45. There's 23 plus 45, it will give us 68. 18 plus 68 will give us 86. Then 7 plus 86 will give us 93. So 3 plus 93 will give us 96. 2 plus 96 will give us 98. 0 plus 98 give us 98. 2 plus 98 will give you 100. You know, when you add everything here up, the frequency up like this, add everything up, it must give you 100. In case you now do all this cumulative frequency and you now get something like at the end of it, you now get something like 120. It's to show you that you are wrong, because the cumulative frequency is 100. How come you now get 120? That means there's an error. An error has occurred. That is how to assess yourself. You have to clean it up and do your calculation again. That's the logic behind. In order to assess yourself, then you have to get 100. By the time you get 100 here, that means you are good to go here. Yes, we have gotten our cumulative frequency. So we now go back to the model. The model is 50. At what point at the cumulative frequency is we can get 50? If we had this 20, we cannot get 20 from 50. Cannot get 50. This 20 is not up to 50. This 45 is not up to 50. At this point, there is 50. We can get 50 here at this point. So this is our model. Right? That is our model. And we need, that's our model, thank God. So our lower boundary now that we're looking for is 10. Our lower boundary is 10.5. Our n over 2 is 50. Then cumulative before the frequency. Cumulative, this is the cumulative before the model. Cumulative before the model, that's CFB before the model is 45. So FM, that's the frequency. You go back to FM, the frequency of the model. This is it. Frequency of the model. This is 23. Then what else do we need? We have our C is what? 5. So we've gotten all our figures for the solution of the median. Note again, it's very important for you to know that your calculation is from your formula. You don't have to go outside your formula and work anything out, but you work within your formula. No, we have calculated this, the lower class boundary, we have calculated the n over 2, the CBN, the FM. Is for us to slot in all this figure now. Sorry, I noticed something. This minus, not plus. Sorry, this minus, not plus. Sorry for that. So let's do our calculation now. I'll still rewrite the formula so that we can follow due. So our formula is the median is equal to lower class boundary plus open bracket n over 2 minus CLB over FM, like a C. So our class lower boundary is 10.5 plus your bracket 50 that we got here. That's 100. That's 100 divided by 2. That's 50 minus 45. That's the cumulative over FM. That's the frequency of the median Google FM. So it's 23 bracket 4 bracket 5 C. So therefore 10 plus, by the time you work all this, okay, 15 minus 45, that's 5 over 23 all over 5. So by the time you work this out, it'll be 10.5 plus 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 23. You have 0.217 bracket 5. That is times 5 times 5. So our 10.5 plus 0.217 times 5 times 5 to give us 1.086. 1.086. That is, now we add it together, plus 10.5 to now be 11.586. to 2 decimal places. This 1 2, we approximate this to be 1, now be 1. This one to be 1 because it's above 5. Add the 1 here, that's 5 9. That's the answer. With this, I hope you get something. It's very simple. As you've gotten your answer, that is the final answer. Let me give us some homework to do. Okay, we have come to the end of our lesson. We have assignment for us. Find the median. Please note that you always arrange from lowest number to highest number, or vice versa. If you want to find the median, it's very important. Like this is scattered, so you have to arrange it before you can get the median. It's very important. For here we have 6 3 5 4 2 1. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is even number. You know what to do after arranging it, either in from lowest or descending order or ascending order. Then B is 21 25 23 22 24. You arrange it before you can find the median. I didn't say that during my explanation. And the third one, the group data, the same formula, class interval, the frequency. So 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20. Then we have 3 4 10 23. This is the cumulative. Find the median. Please don't forget your formula to be lowest class boundary plus n over 2 minus cb all over f c. So you can send your answer to my WhatsApp number. I so desire 08069241839, or my Gmail is lion@gmail.com. I will appreciate it if you can send your answer to that in order for me to access it. It's very, very simple. I pray your understanding is enlightened in Jesus' name. God bless you. Bye.